Okay, so we are in the process of putting up this baby gate at the top of the stairs and at the bottom of the stairs. However, the problem that we have is that our stairs are not flush. There's a gap here, there's a gap here. This is the top of the stairs problem. And then of course, this is the other side. So the other side we're okay. And then when you come downstairs, another problem we have is that this handrail ends on the second step, and this one goes down to the first step. So, because they are not in the same step, we have to rig this to get the baby gate up on here as well. Okay, so in order to get that flush look on the stairs, we did have to cut and paint this piece of wood that we have put into the spot. And what it's going to do, it's going to help us put up the gate. This gate is a pressure gate, and it also has the option to screw in the piece, which we did, and it's this piece right here. It just gives the gate an extra support. We're going to use zip ties to secure the piece of wood there. Logan! No more climbing the stairs. Hey, what are you doing? I see what you're doing. Okay guys, so what Alan's trying to do here is he's trying to find a spot where we can drill a hole on each side of the post to run the zip tie through to secure that piece of board onto the stair piece.
Oh, my bit broke.
So he basically marked the spots where the holes were going to be when he had the board up against the railing. He did take it down to now go through the markings he made to do the holes all the way through. You can drop it on the floor. The vacuum runs here daily, hourly actually.
Yeah, Logan loves to play with it. Let's go. Excuse me.
I sure know she'll come. I sure know. Come on, move over here, babe. Come here. Okay, now that we have the piece of board up, it's time to run the zip ties through the holes that we had made. And he's going to start with the top ones and work his way to the bottom ones. It's a baby prison. Can't go anywhere, Logan. Now he just cut the ends of the zip ties.
After we get the gate up, I'm gonna touch up the little spots.
You're gonna paint it a little bit?
Oh, just
You
touch
know,
up.
now looking at the camera, like I can see that this has like finger marks on it.
Does it?
Yeah, you see like the discoloration like here, and here. Like, you don't really see that in person until you look at the camera.
It where it's gonna go, so I know where to put it. Just draw a circle there, so I know where to drill for the screw. So, over here. Just a little bit for the screw to go in. Got our little adhesive pad. Goes on the back. This little bracket that they send. Prevents extra damage, I guess. Let's see, push the screw through a little bit. Get that set. Line up the screw. I'll do what I just did.
What'd you just do?
Make sure that your little bracket is facing straight up. So just fix that real quick. Tighten that back up. We're good to go.
Looks good.
Now, gate comes in. Prevents it from sliding out. It's a little loose. We're gonna tighten that up a bit. It's no big deal. Little pegs on the ends. They unscrew and screw into the bracket itself, so that when you push down on this clamp, it'll tighten up more. So we're just gonna try and extend that screw as much as possible so that when I push it down, it's nice and tight and there's no chance of it moving. So just make sure that's nice and good. Alright. Let's give it a shot. There we go. Nice and tight.
Slide it in. Turn it in. It has all 4 top seeds. And look how awesome it is.
That's what it said.
Huh? Baby proof.
It's not going anywhere.
No? It's very sturdy now?
Yeah.
You did great, babe. It looks good. It goes with everything in the house, too. It's very rustic.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can turn it out. There you go.
Hey.
You like it?
You like
Yeah. I mean, you have to like it. It's from Babies R Us. You ain't going back.
it? Nope.
What's a Babies R Us these days?
If he manages to get that off the wall somehow.
He's Houdini. just gotta touch up this, and
Yeah.
I think it looks
Touch
good.
it up with some paint. And all these sides. It'll be alright. Actually, I already have the paint up.
Alright guys, this is the gate upstairs. This is how this one turned out. He did have to double up on the wood here because it was farther in this side. But it looks really good. Super sturdy. And then this is the side of the wall. So, house is baby proof. We hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video. Thanks for watching. See ya!